Man.
My name is Tyler, and I'm going to teach you about Dr. Charles Richard.
Charles who Jr.?
Charles Richard True. Dr. Charles Richard True.
Okay, tell me about him.
He was born June 3rd, 1904. He lived in Washington, D.C. He attended Dunbar High School and later attended Amherst College, where he became a star athlete. He later attended McGill University to receive his doctor's degree, and later on he became he was a teacher at Howard University. He was a medical teacher at Howard University, and then that's when he later on he was arriving to going to work, and then he ended up getting in a car crash and
Oh, wow.
accident, and there was no more blood stored. So while he got to the White Hospital, they wouldn't allow him there because segregation was going on back then. So they would not allow him to go to the White Hospital. So he had to drive all the way to the Black Hospital, and then he died because there was no more blood, and all the blood came out of him.
Wow, man. You know what? What can you say your name again?
Tyler.
Tyler, you're really smart and you're very knowledgeable, and it looks like you read a lot. You read a lot, don't you?
Yes, I've been reading since I was 2 years old.
You've been reading since you were 2? And how old are you now?
7.
You're 7, so you've been reading a strong 5 years. So I want to do something. I want to give you a couple books. Do you like books?
Yes.
All right, I want to give you a couple books with more Black history so you can keep spreading the word, because you just taught me something. You taught everybody on the American Legacy page and my page something about Black history, and we're really proud of you. So we want to give you a few books. Come with me over here. So let's see here. We got a book by Tony Dungy. We got a book by What Color Is My World by Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. We've got Bussing Brewster by Richard Mickelson. From Slave to Cowboy. That's a pretty cool book. So you can choose one. And actually I have a couple books in the back as well, but I want to give you a book so that you can continue your study of Black history and continue teaching folks. So if you want one, just choose one. It's yours, man. You want Bussing Brewster? All right. So we're going to give you Bussing Brewster. And thank you for teaching us something today.